Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. And guys, right now I'm giving you all a breaking crypto news update. As you can most likely hear, it is not the professional microphone that I normally use. I'm also not in the normal recording studio. I'm outside. But I was just looking at the price and thought, you know what? Before I'm in, it might take another 4 or 5 hours or so, who knows? And I want to get this update to you guys as soon as freaking possible because, well, exactly what I predicted yesterday evening happened. And very often people call me out for saying, oh, you scream pump when there is no pump. You scream this when there is no this. I keep telling you, whenever I scream something like that, it is about to happen. If I would always report on it after it always happens, then what's the point? In the morning, I told you guys Bitcoin is looking primed for another spike upwards. It happened. And I also told you in the morning and in the afternoon the exact explanation of what XRP would do, and exactly that happened as well. You can clearly see. I told you guys I think we can first of all try this little level here out, $1.34, and then right back to about 137.5. We even shot higher than that. Not my personal expectation, because again, you can't really predict how high something will shoot. But if we close on this area, around this area, that would be extremely, extremely, extremely bullish for crypto. And I am saying that right now with a lot of severity because it is extremely, extremely, extremely important. But we'll get into that in just a second. Guys, if you're watching this video right now and you enjoyed these emergency crypto updates, make sure you press the like button. I don't think that many people got a notification for this, so make sure you press that like button to help out. And comment down below, guys, where you think XRP will go next. Do you think we'll go up or go down? Do you think we'll pump or dump? Let me know in the comment section down below. All right, so our trades over on Bybit, which by the way is the platform that I use to trade, as you guys know by now, we are in about $3,000 profit here and about $4,500 profit here. So about $7,500 worth of profit on our XRP and Bitcoin trades right now. You can see we are trading with about $30,000 worth. So this is definitely not too wrong, all right? For the amount of money that we put in, it's about $3,000. But of course, we're trading with a little bit more than we actually have. Or no, it's actually about 3.5, because this is together about 2,000, I mean, and this is about 1,700 or so. Let's put it like that. So about $3,700 we're trading with, making roughly roughly 7.5. So that's definitely a good trade. And I've told you guys before as well, right? I think most people can do this if you have a Bybit account because, well, once more, you can get bonuses, which you can try out for free. And so you can definitely make this money without putting any money of your own in, as I've said before. Now, what I'm expecting, what I'm saying is Bitcoin right now is coming back down, right? Well, most likely we'll retest the important support here now at about 51.3. Then again, I'm thinking maybe it should have actually been a little bit higher. As you can clearly see here, we've been touching this area for 1, 2, 3, and now for a fourth time here. So most likely bouncing again from the 51.455, something along that area. Hopefully we're going to see the upside, but we shall see from there because, well, Bitcoin broke out. I told you guys exactly how to get in, where to get in, and all that stuff. Here you can see a critical level was broken after we got confirmation. You could have actually bought in after the confirmation and it would have worked. Then again, the profit that you would have gotten wouldn't be too severe. It will be, for example, let's say about 1 to 2% profit or so. And the good part is that if you're doing it with leverage like I'm doing, that still works. The bad part is if you're just buying it straight up, then a 1% profit or so is really not going to do you too much good. But that's Bitcoin, right? And so Bitcoin, of course, is the determining factor. Then again, if you look at XRP on its own right now, you can see it still moved pretty damn ridiculously throughout the last day, right? And once more. Let me see here. All right, so I made the video. I made two videos. One I made about, I think about 1 p.m., maybe 2 p.m. yesterday. So that's around right here, right? This is when I made a video that XP was pumping and doing good. You guys laughed at me. You said, XP pumping? I said, yes, I think so. And then I made another update. I think I made it around 1 a.m. or so. Once more, explain to you guys what I think is going to happen to the price. So ever since I made the update yesterday explaining that XRP was going to pump, I think it was about 1 p.m. Let's put it like there. The price did about 10, 11% or so from that point forward. My last update of the day, I think I might have made it at about 9, but when I uploaded it, It might have been around 12. I don't remember. Maybe it's 1 a.m. Could be anywhere throughout that area. We've also gone up about 6% or so. So guys, I am not saying take all the trades. I'm saying what I'm saying is that when I say these things, I'm usually correct. Because, well, otherwise I don't say it. You know, guys know what I mean? I got distracted a little bit, but what I wanted to say was that when I shout it out on my channel, when I talk about the price, I'm very often of the expectation that I'm going to be very correct. Otherwise, I'd rather not say anything about it because, well, if there's a good chance I'm going to be wrong, I'm going to make a fool of myself, you know? So if I let go of these expectations, I'm not saying go trade it. I'm not saying take it as freaking fact, but I am saying pay some close attention to it and see for yourself if it makes a lot of sense. Because as it currently stands, guys, we have a exactly clean track record over the last couple of weeks. Of course, I've been wrong in the past. Don't get me wrong. And as every trader says before, you will have a couple of mishaps in terms of trading. I've definitely had that before. But right now, in a bull market, it's pretty hard to be wrong if you've been in for a little while and you know what you're doing. And that's exactly the situation right now. It is trading these breakouts toward the upside that make everything worth it. You can clearly see right now Bitcoin actually hasn't held the critical support at about 51.4. We're just breaking through right now. Once more, that is something you can't really predict where something will land and stay. What you can, however, expect, for example, or talk about is what areas of importance are going to be next. But I would have said, and that's also I'm holding quite dearly, that this close would have been the most important close ever for altcoins over the crypto market. Right now, we are retesting for altcoins the highest high we have ever had in terms of a close. And earlier today, since we hit that point, I was so excited. I was thinking, oh my days, guys, we're going to get there. We're going to close there. And that is going to be the highest altcoin close that we have ever had before. And of course, you can already kind of get how bullish that's going to be for the near future if, again, we're at an all-time high for altcoins. And that's literally the territory which we're heading up now. We have already gotten the second highest close ever yesterday. But today could be again, potentially the highest close ever if we go above a market cap of about $1.4 trillion. If we close above there, guys, highest ever. It's not that far away anymore. It's really, really crazy. And if you want the highest market cap ever, that's at about 1.5 trillion, let's say. But again, I don't think we're going to hit that today. Then again, a close above 1.4 can definitely happen, depending on if we get a little bit of an upswing again and a little bit of an uptick. But Bitcoin right now is kind of falling. I saw a couple of people speculate over on Twitter and whatnot that it's because Ripple is doing so good against the SEC in this lawsuit right now. Yeah, that ain't it, Chief. That ain't it. Are they doing good? Yes. Is that the reason why this is happening right now? I don't really firmly believe so. I don't really believe so, guys. Because, well, there really hasn't been that much of a change over the last, let's say, 36 hours in terms of the lawsuit. Yet the price is now all of a sudden pumping. I think that these moves are, of course, following Bitcoin and can be basically gotten or taken advantage of with the help of technical analysis. I'm not always a fan of it, as you guys most likely know by now, but in these types of situations, I'm definitely a fan, and I do think it works. But for right now, let us wait, let it cool down. Let's see, and let's observe whether or not we'll get a close on the altcoin markets above about 1.4 trillion. If not, and Bitcoin continues this fall for right now, well, we shall see, all right? So right now, once more, it's kind of a seeing period. We can't really deduct anything just quite yet because we broke out. And right now, we're falling right back down. It's going to depend on the next couple of closes, but that's why I'm making another update in very, very shortly here to kind of educate you guys or hopefully discuss, because you can put it down in the comment section, what is about to happen next. Because right now, we just made a big move. We're kind of coming back down. And let's, from that point forward, start talking about what the next most important move is going to be. All right. So guys, thank you all for watching this video and stopping by. Hopefully you enjoyed the the quick update here outside, which is rather funny. See you guys again in another crypto video soon.